Yeah, just go with the PPT, but don't go too elaborated way.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, just ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर होके now उसके बाद we can directly review the profiles.
Sure, Vivek. So guys, let's start the session. I will be sharing my screen. Share. Yep. So hope you are able to see my screen. So this session is entirely on how to make your LinkedIn page look professional. Like, you know, most of the recruiter, when we apply job on LinkedIn or any other page, they will be asking your LinkedIn URL, right? So for that, we need to have a professional page to get the more attractive kind of thing from the recruiters. So the first step, when you open your LinkedIn page, you need to make sure that you have a perfect image and the background image. So we should be reflecting your personality. Like you need to you should not make a profile pic. Like you should not have a profile pic of your selfie. So you should be professional, and the background image should reflect your personality, like what you want to do, what you want to achieve in further. Like you need to have your coding background as an image, or what are your ethics, values. So that kind of image has to be present at the background of the image. So I will be showing you later, so no worries. So that's the simple thing. And as I told, so you need to have a professional pic, and then professional pic with a beautiful smile. So smile attracts everyone. And the headline, so headline plays a crucial role. Like you need to have your headline, like, so for example, if you know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so please mention all the skills in the heading, like HTML use pipe, CSS use pipe, and JavaScript use pipe. So likewise, when the recruiter directly view your profile pic, they will be more curious to look your headline, like saying, okay, this candidate process this many skills. So they will be eager to what will say, recruit you. Okay, and the next one is summary. So in case, as you're fresher, you can write in such a manner that I'm a computer science graduate to have time management abilities and have decent skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or full stack developer, or cloud, or cybersecurity, anything. But as an experienced developer, in case if you have an experience of 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus, so you can write the skills and the technologies you worked on, and you have good communication skills and bachelor's degree in marketing, or any other certification that you have done. So when the recruiters, when they see the summary, they should be in a position that, okay, this candidate have this many skills, and this candidates have proven decent knowledge on the particular domain, and they will be in a position to message or see your profile. Okay, and then come to the experience. Like in case if you are a student and if you have done your internships, then mention the internship name and the company you have done your internship from, and then later mention the task that you have done. Here you can see key responsibilities, right? So mention that everything, jot down everything in a bullet point manner. So these are so and so task I have done so far, and so credits I have received and certifications I have received from the internships. Okay, that's a simple thing. And your education background, like you need to mention your college name, your degree, and the CGPA you mentioned. And in case if you want to add the skills that you acquired in your course structure, that's fine, it's an optional, but these are the three main things that you need to mention, like your degree, your institution, and the CGPA you got. Okay, and the skills and endurances. So skill section, so you need to write your skills. For any skill you add on your LinkedIn, it should be like you should have a certification on that, like certified in HTML or certified in Python from Udemy or Coursera or any Edwork. So any kind of platform, you need to have a certification before you add a skill on your LinkedIn. And then later endurances, like you can ask your friends, or in case you can ask your past employer to add an endurance for you. So this will fetch you most insights from the recruiters. And so on for the recommendation, like you can give recommendation to other people, or you can gain recommendation from the other candidates. Okay, and your contact information, that which is on the top of your header. So you need to mention your email address, phone number, and in case if you have a portfolio, please mention that, or any website URL, like you can use your GitHub pages to host your page or AWS. Anyways, okay, so as simple as that. So this is a simple summary of the entire LinkedIn, how to make your LinkedIn profile. So now let's dive into the each and every profile, and let's see how it goes on. Okay, so I'll be stop presenting the session, and in case if you are willing to share your screen, just go ahead. Tarun or Chandra or Manasa or Vamshi, just share your screen, then we'll be going on your LinkedIn page to examine and analysis how the LinkedIn page looks like. So want to go first?
Yeah, I am sharing my screen.
Sure, that.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, this is my LinkedIn page.
Yeah, okay. Looks good. And add in background image for that.
Yeah, yeah, I'm
Okay.
thinking of that.
And then Tarun Kumar Reddy came. Okay, open to work for you see you have an image. It should be a proper image. Like you need to show your face clearly. You should not have another
Okay.
background image top of your head. So remove that. Make sure that your pic and your face is entirely visible. Okay. So you
Can
see.
I edit now?
Yeah, sure, you can. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, you should be professional. Like you need to be in a good background.
Oh,
Like, it has to be on your face.
is it okay?
No, no, no. It's not good.
Then I don't have any photos
No,
from
just like take a passport size photo,
platform.
then you just upload that. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would suggest everyone to use the passport size photo because that will not have any kind of discrepancies or something. So
Yeah.
better go with that.
Okay.
So open to network is fine, and then under your name, like you can see, student test Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. That is not required. So basically, we'll be understanding that from your education section, so you can remove that.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then Python developer. So did you do any internship kind of thing or any?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay then.
yeah. I have done.
Okay, so you can mention that Python developer, Django, and you have some space between each and every pipe you mentioned there. So space developer
Okay.
space, Django space, Flask space, React space.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's good. And open your contact information. Your email address is fine. Okay, then good. So scroll down.
Wait. Could you please go back to that email ID?
I I have put my college ID, but I have to use
Yeah,
my.
better have your personal
Yeah.
ID because like I also faced a similar issue when I was studying. I
No,
kept the
no.
college ID and
I have
that
that.
will be disabled. Yeah,
Due
better
to
change.
some major notifications, I have changed it to my college ID.
Okay. Better have that because the recruiters will be
Okay.
contacting you through that mail only.
Uh,
So yeah, better
yeah.
have it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thanks for your insights. And then scroll down button. Scroll down. Scroll down. So there is no summary section of your page. Like you need to add your summary. Uh,
Oh,
there in the top of your page, add profile section, right? So click on that. It will be asking you to add your about section. Like click on more there. Click on more. Not there. Not there. On beside the add profile section button.
where?
Open to add profile section should be below your profile pic on the page. Yeah. So here you need to add about. Click on add profile
Okay.
section. Add about on the top. So click on that. So here you need to mention the just summary of what you have done so far. Like in case as you're a Python developer, so you need to write a small paragraph like I'm a Python developer who has immense knowledge on so and so libraries, and I'm very good to work in these roles also. So in that manner, you should be writing the short summary of that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So later you can
And
later you
can
can edit that.
I
No problem.
take from the
So
professional?
no,
Is
no.
it okay?
Career objective is different, and the summary is different. So
Okay. Okay.
you can't have same or else use any other online AI tools to generate that. So that will be fine.
Okay.
Okay. So close that. Then add your about section there, and then scroll down. Not now, just add later.
Uh,
So click on add profile section. So you like add education, add positions you have, add services, add career breaks, add skills. So you need to add
Okay,
your
okay.
skills, everything. So just go through that and add every section that you find good to your profile. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Just close that pop-up. Scroll down to the page, bottom of the page. See under the education section. You need to mention your 10th class, intermediate, and your bachelor's
Okay,
degree. Okay. So three
okay, okay.
education qualifications are required there.
Okay, I will add it.
Yeah. And then you have told that you have done the Python internship, right? So you didn't have the column called experience, work experience section. So
Yes, sir.
so what you do, just add another section called experience there, and fill the internship
Okay,
that you have done so far, and add the
okay,
certifications also. Certifications which plays a crucial role when the recruiter sees your profile.
okay.
Okay. So there are a lot of changes in your profile. Just uh, like add your experience, then education, then the projects you have done so
I
far.
have
Like
to add all this, no?
now you have to add everything, like click on recommended and additional details also below, and then add
Okay,
everything.
okay. Thank you.
Like volunteer experience, any publications. So in case if you have done any paper
No, not
publications.
that I am going to publish my project.
Okay, then fine.
That okay.
Click on recommended.
After that, I will add it under
Yeah.
publications.
So add feature, you have a section called add feature, right? So in case if you have done anything which attracts the people, you can add it here. Like in case if
Oh,
you have
okay,
done any open source contribution, or in case if you have done any paper publication, like it will be
oh,
just a showcase that every recruiter will be looking at your profile. And
okay,
main thing, as you're still a student, you need to add your projects and the courses
oh,
that you have done. Okay. So
okay.
that's
I
are
will
the two
add my
things.
projects, all my projects,
Yeah, project and the small description around it should be around 2 to 3 lines, and then the
just
skills
like
that
abstract or
just like abstract, and that's fine.
okay,
Object or objective. And then in case if you have any like online URL, just add the major link there, and
oh, okay. I
all
will add
set.
it.
So just note down everything and you can make the modifications later.
Okay, okay,
Mm. Or else let me share my screen then. Or just you can stop your screen share. Just I will be explaining my reason, then you can have a clear understanding of what to do.
okay,
So listen careful, guys. So this is my profile. So hope you are able to see my screen. So you need to have a proper image. So proper image which fits to the entire logo, and then the background image which reflects your personality or the future scope that you're looking for. Like I want to go to the administrative perspective, so I have an that kind of symbol at the background. So in case if you want to be a software developer, use software developer kind of stuff at the background of the image. Okay. And then here you see, so this is a summary which you need to write. Like I have wrote building community, and I'm an associate software engineer, full stack developer, Laravel developer. I know React JS, Laravel, Python, freelancer, AI fluent. Then my college name at the last. So this is how you need to mention. Okay. So just use pipes to separate all the skills, and then and later. So here you can see. So there is another section called add your website URL by the latest feature from the LinkedIn. So I have added my YouTube channel. So what you will do as a student, or if you want to get a job, so create a portfolio website and then place that link here. So let me click on that. So wait. More. I have to click here. So here is the information. So are you able to see, right? Yeah. So the position I am from, and the industry, and your education, and your contact information. And here you have a button called custom button. So here when you click on edit custom button, so it will be selecting a type to display right on link. So click on link. So here you can place the GitHub URL or the page or the portfolio URL that you want to showcase. So as I mentioned, YouTube channel, so it will be reflecting like YouTube channel under my section. Here you can mention that page, and done. So that's how you need to do to add a thing. Okay. And then later when scrolling down, so these are the analytics resource, and you have a feature section. Like these main skills that when a profile, like in case if you open my profile, so you need to be in a position that okay, this person has done so many things and this person has done this kind of thing when he is in college or when he passed out from the college. So this feature section will be highlighting all the achievements that you have done. So in case if you got first rank uh, in running competition, or in case if you have done if you got the prize money in your project expo, just have it as a feature in the feature section. So it will be helping the recruiters to see okay, this candidate have done so many lot of things. And then the activities, like you daily activities what you will be doing on the LinkedIn, so that you can neglect. And the about, so as I'm a bit tired and lazy, so I read just simple wrote machine learning and data science full stack developer. But as you are a student, like you need to write that I'm a computer science student or electrical student who is passionate to the technology and is willing to contribute for the tech organization's company growth, or like, so you can mention all the skills you have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Laravel, or machine learning and data science, all the skills and the libraries you mentioned, you know. Okay, that's the small about. And then come to the experience, so like you need to add your company name and the role you are working as. And here one more thing, in case we have done the internship, so you need to write the project that you have done so far, so the project or the task you have done, so from which, from duration, from start to the end, so you need to mention the duration on the task you have done. So and coming to the next internship, just mention just a small summary, or else if you have done so many tasks in that project, just mention all the tasks in a short bullet points manner. And in case if you want to showcase that, you should turn on top it and add. So this is one more thing, so you need to have the link to the projects that you have done. Okay, so you need to have a link into the projects, and then you can mention as number of experience you have. Okay, so it will be scrolling down to the end of the simple. Okay, and then so the main section is like your education section. As I told, you need to have your 10th, your intermediate and your bachelor's degree. So in case if you have done MTech, so please mention your MTech degree also. And the CGPAs are must, like grade 9.5, 8.1. So based on your CGPA, just mention that. And then next, projects. So come to the projects. So mention the project title and the associated with so and so company, or you will be associating with your placement cell. So just add that associated with, and then add a small description and the bullet points of what you have done so far. And then and at the end, add the word called technologies used. So on the project, so what are the technologies you have worked for? Oh, give me a second. So many people are joining. Yep. So technology used field should be there. Like so, yes, so and so technologies you have been worked on. And you can add your contributions, other contributor, like in case if you have worked in a thing, just add them also. Front end HTML, CSS, back end PHP and MySQL, something. And volunteering experience also. So in case in college, if you have done volunteering for so and so organization like English club or like me, NSS, NCC, so just you can add there. And a small summary, like what you have done so far as a team member. And then skills, so this is, it depends upon the organization, or else you can add manually, like I have so many so skills like machine learning, Laravel, C, Python. And also one more thing, like LinkedIn also provides test on the skills, so you can attempt that and you can add the skill here. And then where did I go? So recommendations, so in case you can ask the recommendation from the people you know, or the past companies that you work for, so they will be giving a recommendation that okay, this candidate is good to work and is a good team player. Or else you can give recommendation to other people who will be asking for. Okay, and then your paper publications, you need to write the entire abstract here and the show publication. Please mention the link of the publication once you have done your thing. And later, so as a student, so most of the people should have these kind of certifications in your resume or LinkedIn. Like you need the foundation of artificial intelligence, HTML and CSS, machine learning, web development, data science, or full stack developer. So any kind of certification that you need to mention in your LinkedIn. So this says that you have been certified in so and so skills. Like don't think that Udemy is so small. So Udemy is a underrated organization. Okay, so Udemy gives the best knowledge of, and then your interest is not required. So that's it, as simple as that. So this is how your LinkedIn page look like. So when the recruiter sees my LinkedIn page, so they will be directly focusing on the setting section, like so what are the skills, and then they will be focusing on this feature section, and then later they will be going on the support section, and then that's fine. And in case if they want to see my experience, so they will be going into my experience section. That's it. So nothing much they will be looking into it, but please make sure that everything is correctly structured, and that's it. That will be enough. Okay, so I think hope everyone have clear understanding of what to make your LinkedIn profile, right?
Let us know if you missed, like, if you're not, and if you haven't
um,
understood anything, because this is the session which we conducted for you guys by investing our time. So yeah, we expect your active participation as well. Need not to fear or need not to do something. Just if you have any doubts, feel free to unmute your mic and talk.
yes, yes. If anyone want to share your screen and go to your profile, just do that.
Yeah.
So just keep.
Yeah, can I share?
Yes, Chandra, share.
Is it screening?
Yeah, yes, yes. So add a background image, okay, and profile
Okay.
pic seems good. Open to work, and your name C should be capital, and Chandrasekhar S should
Okay.
be capital with spacing, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, so just modify that. Open to work. Click on contact info.
Oh,
Yeah, seems good.
okay.
Scroll down. Scroll down. So you have mentioned your resume as your featured. So that's a good thing that you have done. But make sure that your resume is up to date and with well structured.
Okay.
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 Okay. Then scroll down. So your activities. So experience Java developer. So write the task you have done in as a Java developer on the organization done in sprint. So like mention
Okay.
everything in a bullet point, and that will be fine. Diploma, master's degree, that could add your 10th and intermediate also.
Okay.
And license
I
and
didn't
certificate.
change anything from the last 4 months.
Yeah.
I made this LinkedIn 4 months before.
Okay.
I made changes.
Yeah, just
No.
do. So make sure that your LinkedIn page is up to date every time. You just upload when you get a certification or if you have done any task, everything.
Okay.
Okay, certifications looks good. Like you have a show credential also. When you click on that first certification, like show credential. The not that one show credential. Bottom. You should open your certification now, or else you need to change the link. Okay, scroll down. No problem. That's not a problem. And projects you have done.
Projects.
Okay. Click on see
I
more.
need to add one. In projects are license certificates.
Okay. Click on see more. So we have written the small summary, but you need to write the technologies used also. So what kind of technologies you have worked on the certain project.
Okay.
Okay. So like add a
I
small.
will add one more project in the which was done in the Java development recently.
Yeah. So see this when you do internship when you do projects as a part of internship, that's not comes under your own projects. So you're doing it for the organizations. So you can't keep it as your personal project. So but what do you do in the experience section, you can add that I have worked on this so and so project, and these are the tasks that I have performed. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, good. So out of 10, I can give around 6 for your LinkedIn.
Okay, I will update.
Just update that, and everything looks good. So just make a note of every point that I have told, and then you're good to go. All set.
Okay.
Yes, Rupesh, go it. Good up, Rupesh. See. A very warm welcome. It doesn't suits. Okay, so remove that background image. Like you need to mention what is the what kind of future perspective you have. Okay, so just remove that background image and add another image. Not now, just we can do it later. Just make a note of everything that I have told. And software engineer. So did you do any kind of internships or any kind of job before? Just turn on your mic and speak, Rupesh. There is nothing to worry about. Hello. Okay, no problem. Just scroll down. Featured. See, the Figma design, when you add this, so you are doing as part of your learning journey. You can't add it as a featured. Like you can add it as a daily. Okay, it will be in the activity. You can remove that feature. So you can remove that. Scroll down. So Rupesh, I am Rupesh Sharma is here. I'm a software developer. No, it should not be like that. So we can remove. We can see as part of your name on top. But as a software developer, you can't mention as a software developer unless and until you have an experience. So in case if you are still a student, like experience you have 1.1 year, yeah, then fine, then you can add hardware engineer. But so here you see in experience you have mentioned hardware engineer, but they're software developer, so it seems conflicting. Like in the above section, like add a summary type, like uh, so remove your name and then I'm an hardware engineer, so working on so and so technologies. That will be good. So you need to change your about and the experience also. You need to jot down everything, like what are the tasks you have done in certain literacy India organization. Okay, and just what you do in the educations also, just swap the bachelor's degrees first, then your 12th and then your 10th class. Okay, it should be a hierarchy from the top, then intermediate and then 10th class. Okay, go to top of the page, click on add profile section. See, you need to add your education and add skills. Education, so later you can add, your 10th class. Okay, once close the pop-up. Hello. Once close that pop-up, Rupesh. Okay, I think he lost his network. Yeah, reshare, no problem. Okay, Rupesh, that's not a problem. And Vamshi, go ahead.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, brother. Is it visible?
Yes, visible. Just a minute, that's good. And you see your college name should be in capital letters, like Sri S capital Venkateswara. In the bottom of the education section, just capitalize every first letter. Okay. And
Okay,
Python,
brother.
HTML, and everything looks good. Scroll down.
Contact information.
Now, Java, YouTube, that looks good. So, see, when you are looking for an opportunity, you need to mention your profile link, not YouTube link. Okay, just update that.
What link? Profile.
Portfolio link, like you can add your GitHub pages page.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Scroll down. Scroll. On zoom the about. Looks good, but it's not the appropriate manner that you need to mention there. So I space Sam should be a not I. So well-rounded individual with a strong technical background and varieties of interest. And I'm a good communicator and problem solver. So till that the problem solver is good, everything is good. Then I have done my first internship in Verzio company,
Virgin.
which was something internship in machine learning with Python. I am ready to do more internship and looking for a job. So you see, you should not mention that kind of 2 lines there. Like you can
Okay,
mention
brother.
that I have so and so skills there. I learned so and so skills, and I'm a
Okay,
very good
machine
at
learning.
machine learning and so and so. So just edit that, and it looks good.
Okay, brother.
Scroll down and see your college name should be every letter should be
Yes.
capitalized, and add your intermediate and your 12th class also.
10th class also.
10th and
Okay.
12th. Scroll down.
Okay.
Skills, everything looks good. Scroll down. So ask recommendations from the your students, or mostly in case if you are a student, just ask recommendation from your faculty. Okay. So this will be everything good.
Recommendation means here what?
So it will be defining your personality. Like Vamshi is a good person who can who is very good who is a good team player. So they will be giving a recommendation. Like this candidate is very good. Vamshi is, there is a lot of noise from your background.
Work is going on.
Okay. So in that manner, you will be receiving a recommendation from your faculty already.
Okay.
Then scroll up. So you can use your feature section, and then you can add your courses in case if you have done any courses. Just
Yes,
add
sir.
courses.
In Udemy, I done courses.
Just add that.
Courses which was shown before previously like that.
Yes. You have added your license, like so you can add everything like courses from
Okay, brother. But how to get premium? All are getting free.
So LinkedIn Premium is one kind of thing. They'll be giving free for 1 month, and later they will be charging you. So in case if you want to go for the LinkedIn Premium, you can go ahead, but I won't suggest. So that is
Okay. It is not useful.
it's not recommended.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. So just add your education courses and change the about, and everything looks good. Just have my LinkedIn page beside that. You can modify everything.
Bro, tell me your ID.
So I will be mentioning later. So no worries.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Can you please stop share the screen? Hello, Vamshi. Did I launch you or?
Are there any more doubts? Or does anyone wants to share their screen?
Yeah, just go ahead. Vivek, are you able to listen here? I'm audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. I thought I left the meeting.
Yeah. Shall we wind up?
Let's see. The candidates also sharing. They might be sharing the screen.
Okay, how?
So who wants to go next? Just share your screen. So we'll be going to your resume. Sorry, LinkedIn. Or else if you are feeling shy, then no problem. So just WhatsApp me with your LinkedIn account, LinkedIn page. No problem. LinkedIn URL. Chandra completed. Manasa, in case if you want to go ahead. So Nishu, just left. So Kona Ganga, if you want, just share your LinkedIn page. And Siri, Monica, Vijay. In case if anyone you want to share their screen, just do that. Or else you can message me personally or Vivek.
Can I share a mobile?
Yeah, no problem. Just go ahead. No problem.
Okay, you are going to tell the things need to set up.
Yes. So the
I need
modifications which
to,
are required on your thing.
I'm going to create my still. Let me.
Not sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes. Yes, Vijay.
Yeah.
Yeah, React plus Node is good. So when you mention React plus Node as your background, so you need to have
Yeah.
that kind of skill set, or else if you need to do an internship on the technology that you mentioned in the background.
Yes.
Okay, so profile pic looks good. Aspiring software developer, coding enthusiastic, open source contributor, Python, JavaScript, test assessment. So did you do any open source contribution before, or you just kept it as?
Actually, I haven't done any open source contribution.
Then you need to remove that.
I have some experience of 8 months.
What?
It is Institute Pro. I have hands-on uh, with technologies React and Node.js.
That's fine, but remove that open source contributor in case if you are not done anything.
Okay.
Okay, and
Next.
coding enthusiastic, that's all good. That sounds seems good. So see,
So I'm good.
so on the header also you have used for few you have used pipe, and then for the technologies like you have used comma separated. So make it consistent over your heading. Okay, so use pipes or use commas. Either ways works, but not combined.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Understood.
so scroll down.
Thank you. What
I can't see your contact information in the mobile. Okay,
about
scroll up, top of the about.
this is top.
I think you are editing. Click on see more. Okay. I'm Vijay Kumar. Just scroll up. Oh my God, lot of information stuff, man. So see, when you add an about, so it should not be like an essay. So you need to
Okay.
summarize within a two to three, 4 lines, and then add bullet points there, like like HTML, CSS skill. So you can add like I've trained in so and so technologies, and I also know React JS and backend Bootstrap, etc. So Bootstrap backend
Uh,
technologies. I think so. There will
can I
be.
add this about section and paste it in the chat GPT? Then it will give
Yeah, you can.
some.
You can do that. That's not a problem. You can do.
Okay.
Just
Next.
give a prompt like create a summary around 5 lines, and then bullet point the technologies which I know. Simple.
Okay.
So you when the recruiter sees your about, so you will be not in that curious state to read everything that you mentioned there.
Okay.
Okay,
So
scroll
I
down.
need to maintain this about section small.
As simple as that.
Okay.
Okay, and there
This
is
is
no need to mention your mobile number, email address, and your GitHub account again in the about. So
what?
we'll be getting it from the contact information.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, scroll down.
Okay.
Yep.
This is some posts
So
education.
it's next web is not an education, like it's a coding platform, like a organization, right? So it should not it should remove from your education section. Okay, so remove that.
But where should I include this next
So
wave?
that's not an included, but you can add it in a core section. Like I have certified from next web and so and so technologies. You can add it in your core section, but not in your education.
Okay.
Okay, so that's
Certification need to include that.
yeah, in case if you get a certification from next web on full stack development, just add that certificate certified in full stack development from next year. It's not be in the education section. Okay.
Okay.
And see, Sri Chaitanya and everything is capital letter. It should not be like as you mentioned, Zilla Parishad High School. So it should be in that manner for Srivan Junior
And
College. So first letter should be capital and remaining all should be small.
okay, fine.
Okay.
Just
And mention your CGPA also there.
CGP.
CGPA is in your yeah.
Yeah.
For your
Yeah.
btech you didn't mention that, and for your 10th and intermediate is good. So MPC three letters should be in capital.
Actually, my btech percentage is less, that's why I didn't mention.
No problem. That's not a problem. We don't care about your CGPAs. Nobody cares actually when you enter into this IT find out.
Then coming to the license and certificates, these
So
are my.
everything from the next wave. Good. So the year you need to mention, like you need to this is good.
Okay.
Come back.
The
And the
projects
projects you have
I-
done. So click on see more. Job app. Yeah, good. Super. So just a
It
small
is fine.
summary and then bullet points. Yeah, good.
And then coming to the skill section.
So you have done only one project so far. Like you can add your college projects too, like the major project or your mini project
Actually,
also.
I'm a civil engineer graduate. So I will switch it to IT. So what project should I mention?
Just mention
In order,
your college projects also mention, no problem. So
okay.
when you want
But
to be a
I have mentioned that, that's why I didn't mention.
that's not a problem. Just mention that.
So
Okay,
I
skills,
need
everything
to
looks
mention
good.
that, right?
What we say?
I need to mention that college project also, right?
Just mention everything. Every project you have done on your hands, by your hands.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Notes.
on consistency teaching assistant.
Yes.
So okay, honors. Okay, scroll down. Okay, looks good. So these are the small modification that you need to do. Everything looks set. All set.
Can you, in order to post anything, any suggestions?
So when you post on LinkedIn, like you need to grab the user's attention. Like first you need to mention greet. First you need to greet the people like I and hello, or use the tag words like everyone or connections. And then you need to mention your the main name of the post. So this is the thing. So for example, if I post open
Mm,
higher one, I can say to share my latest project.
It is fine, right?
That's good.
Okay.
That's good. So as simple as that.
So you said that some things need to change. So I need to work upon those.
Yeah,
Those.
just
Uh,
modify everything that I've told now, and everything looks good there.
okay. Yeah. Fine. Thank you.
No problem, Jay.
Uh, okay. Thank you. I'm stop sharing my screen.
Yes. So who is next? So want to go next? Just share your
Hello.
screen.
I just want to share my screen actually.
Yes, Ganga, go ahead.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Ganga. Add background image. So remove your profile pic. So it's not a good profile pic that can use on LinkedIn. So you remove your profile pic and add the background image.
Okay.
Okay. So Ganga, G and K should be capital.
Okay.
Okay. So undergrad at Ajuketi.
Okay.
It's not Ajuketi, comma is column is Ajuketi hyphen. So our college name is very fascinating. Like according to the AICT standards, our college name should be Ajuketi Triple IT Srikakulam. Okay. not commercial calculum, just modify that. And CS24 no need. So data science, enthusiastic, ML. So ML machine learning, just elaborate that.
Okay.
And Python developer. So when you mention this kind of thing like Python developer, Java developer, so you need to do in one kind of internship or a job before you certify that you are a developer. So in case if you have done internship, that's fine. In case if you didn't do any internship, just remove that developer. Add a skill called Python or Java. Okay.
Actually, I have done an internship on machine learning
Okay.
as an ML intern. So can I mention that is an ML developer?
Not ML developer. So basically in ML also you need to write Python code. So like just mention machine learning, pipe and Python pipe. That's it. That's okay. Click on contact info.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, on the top. Near Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, India. Click on contact info. Not there. Under your name on the pic on the profile section. Don't paste. Be good. Yeah. So email is there. Okay. Close. You can add your mobile number also. No problem. Scroll down.
Yeah, sure. And I have to add my GitHub profile also.
In case if you wish for. Analytics.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Scroll. Okay. Click on about. Show more. See more. Wait. Looks good. So your summary says that you want to be a machine learning developer. You want to pursue a career in machine learning and data science, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then fine. Then we can have that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then Hajkati Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. I think our college have a LinkedIn page. You can add that. And btech B should be capital. Computer science and engineering, not computer science. And add your CGPA and your PUC as well as your 10th as your education. Okay. Scroll down.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll up. So you have mentioned that you have done ML internship, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in experience section, add a section called machine learning developer, machine learning, and add the company name. So NITW is a college, but add it there.
Okay.
Okay. And then in case if you have done
Actually,
any,
I have done
what?
Actually, I have done an ML models, implemented ML models. Can I share these ML models here?
No, on LinkedIn page you can share
Means
your models.
under the comment section.
Under the project, in case if it is a big one, so not like for example, the many of the candidates will be doing like so Instagram post analysis or COVID analysis. So they are just a minor thing when you do it, and as a part of training you will be doing that, but those doesn't comes under your projects. Okay.
Yeah. Means during my academics, I have done mini project and
so as
doing
part of your
major project. Can I share those?
then you can add them. No
Academics. Okay.
So then you need to add your course section
Can
also.
you tell me how to? Okay.
Courses are required.
Means, yeah.
So in case if you have done HTML, CSS, any other courses from any other company, just add that and use the feature section to highlight your skills. Like you have done your internship, just highlight that. And then in case if you have selected for any kind of project expo or you have done anything impressing, anything others can impress by you, looking at your profile. So you add the feature section also. Okay. So what your
actually there are LinkedIn communities, right? Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, actually there are some LinkedIn communities, right? Python community, like machine learning
Hmm.
community. So how can I explore in those communities to learn more things or to communicate with the other people there?
Uh, so I don't know, but when you join in that group, so sorry, I can't answer it. So Vivek, can you take this question? I don't know.
Sorry, could you please repeat the question? I missed that.
So
Hello, am I audible?
yes,
Yeah, you're audible. Could you please repeat that question?
Yeah, sure. There are some LinkedIn communities, especially the platforms which we are interested. So I just wanna explore in those communities as a member, but I don't know the correct approach to approach those people actually who are interested in those communities. In what way I
Okay,
can
okay.
approach them via using this LinkedIn?
So what, like 1 minute, like what is
Hello.
your main motto? Yeah, yeah, you're audible, but your voice is breaking a bit. But as far as I understand, there are some LinkedIn communities regarding machine learning, or what is that?
Python, yeah, means
Okay,
which I have
okay, got it.
interested
Okay, there is some
in
learning communities that you have, and you
those
wanted to communicate
like
with them.
cybersecurity, data analytics.
Okay, perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, like one way of approach which I would suggest is to what to call have. I think you have that access to post in those communities as well, like LinkedIn communities in the sense, like you are authorized to post there something, or you can ping them personally. You can share your knowledge, or you can just to write a blog, write a simple blog, or like suppose take an example of some stock predicting algorithm. You can write that algorithm, and you can post it over there, or post it to the members over the group, so that automatically some knowledge sharing, or else that kind of things will happen. So communication is nothing in the sense, just you need to uh, put up your ideas, put out your ideas. That's it. Your ideas and knowledge, once you are open to share them, they will also in turn will take that, or they will share their idea. So this is how actually the things works.
Means do you want? Okay, I have to involve in some discussions which have posted on LinkedIn communities, right? Um,
Yeah.
some yeah, yeah, I got it.
Actually, your voice is not that clear. Akhil, is it my internet problem or how's it?
No, no, Vivek, it's our communication.
Okay,
Okay.
No, not a problem. But
Okay.
she had cleared that doubt. Thanks, Vivek.
Okay. Great.
okay,
Any more questions, Ganga?
thank you. No, no,
Yeah, just do all the modifications that I've told on your LinkedIn
no
page,
more
and
questions. Thank you.
yeah, yeah, just do everything, and that's it.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Are there anyone who would like to share your screen? Vamshi Krishna, I think he has already done it.
Siddhan, Chandra, done.
Tatavarti has already done it.
Siri left, Mansa and Monica. So in case out of you three members, in case
Syrian Manasa, do you want to share your screen, or shall we wind up the class? Sorry, session.
or else in case if also, or else in case if you don't want to share, no problem. Just give us the URLs. Sure. Okay, Siri, that's not a problem. In case if you want to review your LinkedIn personally, just message Vivek or me in the WhatsApp. So we'll be giving an audio recording. What are the things that you can modify? As simple as that.
Okay, perfect.
Mm.
Perfect.
So,
Yeah.
Hello,
Thank you.
yes, Vamshi.
Yeah.
bro. Actually, all are posting software jobs only.
Hmm.
How to get a core side jobs? Where can I get that job? And like I'm doing now embedded systems, automotive training center at Bangalore.
Okay.
I want to get the jobs like embedded system code side. Like where can I get
Okay.
that update?
Okay, I can answer that as I am from core background.
Hmm.
Uh, One thing that I would like to make sure is, like, I don't want to what we call do some hangama or something. Yes, the thing that I understood during my job search just after my btech is the jobs in the core are very minimal. very very minimal. Okay, that is a one thing that we should accept. Okay, they are very minimal, and most of the core branches or the core jobs will be fished out from the as your what we call qualification increases, then you will have more chances to fetch those core jobs. For example, for these embedded systems, or else as a mechanical engineer, for us to get into some petrol industry or something. There, the moment you are into this MTech, or if you're doing this MTech degrees, then you will have that better opportunity to waste the jobs. But yes, there are certain institutions. Since you told that you are doing the course, you may get some jobs through that institutions as well. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure because the credibility of those things and all. But the best way to search your job through the LinkedIn is, because of course you'll barely find very minimal jobs through Naukri or something, that too for a fresher. So through LinkedIn, if you want to fetch out some jobs, the best thing is you can now go and ask for referrals. You can search for similar embedded engineers. You can also have some posts. Or let's suppose today you have learned about some what is embedded, what are the different microcontrollers that you will have, etc. You can simply write a LinkedIn post on that. Okay, you can simply write a post on that, and in the hashtag you can have some embedded engineer, embedded systems. The topic of that, suppose if that has some microcontrollers, include that microcontrollers, etc. Okay, so have that post, have some 60 days of streak or 90 days of streak. Every day start posting something. Try to reach out to the managers, try to reach out to the HRs, and you should ask them for the referral. Because as a fresher getting the job directly, because no recruiter will be calling you, because that's a very difficult thing to get as a fresher, that to through off campus. If your campus is providing something, that is perfectly brilliant, but if you wanted to search it through off campus, you need to sail through an ocean.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, try to have that post, try to contact the recruiters and managers.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Thanks, Vivek. Thanks, Vivek, for taking up question. So, any more doubts, guys, or let's wind up this session? Now we'll be staying here for 2 more minutes. So, in case if you want to drop off, just please feel to drop off. Or else, if you want to ask any question, just go ahead. Okay, guys, I will be closing the session, and thanks for your active participation. And let's meet in another session on next Sunday. All the best, guys. Thanks,
Yeah,
Vivek, for your
thank
cooperation.
you, thank you. Yeah,
All the best, guys. Bye bye.
Thank
thank
you,
you guys.
brother.
See you on the next weekend. Bye bye.